Think you know birds? Think again. Let's dive into the world of the harpy eagle. Harpy eagles are the giants of the rainforest. With wingspans reaching up to 7 feet, they're like flying superheroes. These birds don't just look cool, they're powerful predators. Their talons are as big as a grizzly bear's claws, perfect for grabbing prey like monkeys and sloths. But it's not all about strength. Harpy eagles are also masters of stealth. They silently swoop through dense forests, blending in with their surroundings, and their striking black and white plumage, simply majestic. Sadly, these incredible birds are endangered. Let's spread the word and help protect their homes. Ready to soar with the harpy eagle? Hit that like button and share the wonder.